I guess birds of the same feather flock together. Matipandile Soteni, the alleged assassin of Arman Swat, didn't get bail. Now we have the captain himself, the ballistic expert and forensic analyst, Captain Lawrence Mahotwe, also might not get bail. So the SABC News reports that the South African Police Service ballistic expert and forensic analyst Captain Lawrence Mahotwe allegedly intimidated witnesses and would conceal evidence that could implicate him if he released on bail. This is according to a state witness warrant officer Xolani Sokhanyile. So Officer Sokhanyile was busy testifying against Lawrence Mahotwe, and he said that we also recovered almost 28 ballistic reports. Some were analyzed by him and others by other members, he said. So Kanyile said that he asked about why those ballistic reports were in his house, and also the suspect didn't provide any information and act shocked as someone who didn't know where his safe was. So they found more things in his safe, more cartridges, more weapons. So this guy is attending court and busy hiding so much evidence. Why didn't he remove all of these things in his house? Because they're not even supposed to be there. So Kanyele further argued that the 43 rounds of ammunition found in his house were not supposed to be there. According to the investigating officer, police are issued 30 rounds of ammunition by the state. So those ammunition rounds were not supposed to be in his house. We found live ammunition for a short weapon or firearm. It was not for dispersing crowds. We found 13 rounds that were in the safe in an exhibit bag, but it was a clean exhibit bag with nothing written on it. Those 18 ballistic reports were never in court, and the reason can only be the benefit to him or to extort someone, he said. The investigating officer said that it's painful to see the public losing trust in the police. He said that he doesn't work at the same office at Mahotwe. He said that Mahotwe shouldn't get bail and that the state has a strong case relying on the expert evidence to review the analysis done by the accused. He said that there was a witness and a security guard who were driving the security car. Police cornered and arrested suspects, and one of the suspects was a police investigating officer attached in Gauteng. So, yeah, man, it really gets bad when you read into it. Yeah, with all of this evidence, I don't think Lawrence Mahotwe will be getting any bail anytime soon. In fact, he might be found guilty for whatever crime that he did, because one of them is defeating the ends of justice. I think this